In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Airtable. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your data into this powerful platform, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Chrome and navigate to Airtable's website by going to airtable.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Airtable dashboard where you have access to your various bases. Next, you'll either create a new base or choose an existing one depending on your needs. If you're starting fresh, click the plus add a base button. From the options presented, select Start from Scratch to initiate a new base setup. Alternatively, if you have a base ready where you want your CSV data, go ahead and open it. After your base is set up or selected, you'll need to open the table where you want the CSV data to be imported. If the base is new, Airtable will create a default table for you. This step is crucial because it's where your imported data will reside. Once your table is open, it's time to start the CSV import process. Look towards the top left corner where the table name is displayed. Next to it, there is a More Options button. Click this to reveal a menu and select Import Data. From the list of import options that appear, choose CSV file. With the import setup underway, it's now time to upload your CSV file. When prompted, click Choose a CSV file and navigate through your computer's directories to find and select the file you wish to upload. Once chosen, Airtable will begin the process of reading and interpreting the CSV data. At this point, Airtable will attempt to map the columns from your CSV file to the fields within the table. It does a fairly good job at this by default, but you may need to step in for some manual adjustments. Take a close look at the suggested mappings and verify that they match your data structure correctly. Also, check the field types. Airtable allows flexibility with field customization, such as selecting between options like single line text, number, date, and others, based on what best represents your data. Finally, when you're satisfied with how the data fields and types are set up, proceed by clicking Import. Your CSV data will be brought into Airtable, visibly populating the table almost instantly. Take a moment to review your newly imported data within the table. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks just as you intended. This import feature streamlines the way you bring in data, enhancing your productivity and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, utilizing your information to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.